Good morning, students. This is science video. We are going to start with the revision from today onwards. So we are going to start with the chapter number 4, that is matter. Today we will start the revision of exercises of chapter number 4. So take out your classwork copy. You have to write down some questions and answers as well to revise the exercises. So one more thing I need to remind you that your GK chapters has finished from 6 to 19. 17 we have skipped it, so don't learn the 17 chapter for the revision, but you have to learn 16 to 19 chapters for your periodic exam. As periodic exam is starting from 8th of October, so start learning the chapters. You won't get the time for the revision as well if you start from the today. So start learning and let's begin with the revision. So this is the questions which you have to revise. You have to write down today's date, that is 5th of October 2020. Science revision, chapter number 4, exercises. So these are the tick the correct answer. You have to choose one correct answer for this. You have to write down all the questions of revision test. So first one, which of the following has fixed shape and size? It's air, water, chair or milk. Those who were learning the chapters, they might get the answers without seeing in book, but you have to learn all these questions for the better marks. Which salty water is an example of? Salty water is an example of what? Solid, solute, solvent or solution. Here both the words have come, so you have to make sure that what is the correct answer will be. What is present all around us? What is present everywhere? That is solid, liquid, water or matter. So I have given you the definition as well, so you get the answer if you have learned the chapter. So second question of this question paper is fill in the blanks. Paper and stone are the examples of which state of matter? You have to write down that state of matter over here. Matter takes up dash and has mass. Matter takes up dash and has mass. So what matter takes up and have mass? There are two things which has properties of matter. So one is given mass and second one you have to write down as a fill up. Third one, liquid do not have fixed. You have to write down size or shape. I have given you the option as well. Third one, name the following. A state of matter which does not have a fixed shape and size. A state of matter which does not have a fixed shape and size. So both where it is not present shape and size, what is that? What is the state of matter? There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gases. So you have to write down the property which do not have shape and size, fixed shape and size. You have to write down the answer over here. Second one, the liquid obtained when a solute dissolves in a solvent. A liquid obtains when the solute dissolves in a solvent means two things which when mixed together it makes a mixture of that thing, that is known as. You have to write down the answer over here. Third one, a state of matter which is usually hard. So a state of matter which is usually hard. Hard means which is unbreakable, right? Toda nahi ja sakta hai. So that is, you have to write down the name of that state of matter. Fourth one, write true and false. It's given. On cooling, solid wax changes into liquid wax. On cooling, do we get solid wax into liquid wax? or heating we get solid wax into liquid wax. That you have to calculate it and write down the proper true or false. Second one, liquid cannot flow. Liquid cannot flow. If we throw a liquid somewhere, does it go from one place to another, or does it not go from one place to another? You have to think and write it down. Third one, water vapor changes into water on heating. Water vapor changes into water on heating. Either water vapor changes into water, or water changes into water vapor. Both things happens, but just because of heating or cooling, that you have to understand, and you have to write down the true and false over here. So this is the revision of exercises of chapter 4. Tomorrow we are going to revise some question answers of chapter number 4. So learn it, and I will give you some questions. You have to solve them and show it to me in the WhatsApp. Right now you have to write down all the questions and answers as well, and give it to me in the WhatsApp right now. Thank you so much.